topic is human embryonic stem cell research. My proposition is that restrictions on human embryonic stem cell research causes a delay in medical advancement. Alright. The cost of war in Iraq up to now is about $500 billion. If 1% of this money were distributed towards human embryonic stem cell research, it may help millions of Americans. According to the Department of Health and Human Services, the U.S. spent only $30 million on human embryonic stem cell research, a small amount in comparison to Alzheimer's, even though human embryonic stem cell research has the capacity to help Alzheimer's plus other diseases, according to Dr. Lawrence. In 2001, President Bush announced that federal funds may only conduct or fund research on stem cell lines derived before the date of August 9, 2001. Under this law, federal funds will not be used for stem cell lines that derive from newly destroyed embryos. The reason President Bush chose to do this was because he did not want to use taxpayer money to destroy embryos. Also, when he first announced his policy, the National Institute of Health estimated that there was 78 available stem lines that would be eligible for federal funding, which was a miscalculation. Right. And the real number was 11 stem lines. And according to the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation, these 11 stem lines, they lack genetic diversity. One, because they're small in number, and that they're all cultured around mouse cells, which makes it impractical for human trials. Over 100 million Americans suffer from diseases that eventually might be cured or treatable through human embryonic stem cell research. These diseases range from spinal cord injury, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even blindness. For instance, according to the Foundation of Spinal Cord Injury Prevention, nearly 300,000 Americans suffer from spinal cord injury. Consider this case. In 2005, Dr. Hand restored myelin insulation around damaged nerves, returning motion to paralyzed rats, which 11 years ago, James Thompson was the first one to develop human embryonic stem cell lines. And up to this point, not one human has ever been treated. This is simply due to the fact to all the restrictions. Because of these restrictions, new scientists that rely on federal funding are unable to go into this field.